Hello and welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today we have an exclusive review of the Blackview Shark 8 smartphone, a revolutionary device that is set to redefine your smartphone experience. Featuring cutting-edge technology, the Blackview Shark 8 is a powerhouse of performance, design, and innovation. Let's start with the stunning 6.78 2.4K display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which delivers visuals that will truly amaze you. Whether you're scrolling through social media, making video calls, or watching your favorite movies, the Blackview Shark 8's display will provide an immersive and vibrant experience like never before. But that's not all. The camera capabilities of the Blackview Shark 8 are truly remarkable. With a 64MP rear camera and a 13MP front camera, you can capture every moment with incredible clarity and detail. From high-res outdoor scenes to crisp nighttime photos, the Blackview Shark 8's camera is guaranteed to exceed your expectations. In terms of performance, the Blackview Shark 8 is an absolute beast. Powered by the MTK Helio G99 octa-core processor and 8GB of RAM, expandable up to 16GB, this smartphone is designed to handle demanding tasks and multitasking with ease. With a 256GB RAM and support for up to 1TB card expansion, storage will never be an issue. And let's not forget the 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging, ensuring that you can go from dawn to dusk without worrying about battery life. Plus, the integrated cooling system ensures that the Shark 8 stays cool during intense gaming sessions. The Blackview Shark 8 also boasts octa-core 4.0 based on Android 13, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. With features like Easy Share app, atomized memory 2.0, and smart preloading, you'll enjoy a level of convenience and fluency that's unparalleled. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Blackview Shark 8 is its commitment to privacy and security. With features like privacy control, clear clipboard history, and an integrated 2-in-1 power button and fingerprint sensor, your data privacy is in safe hands. In summary, the Blackview Shark 8 is a smartphone that offers a perfect blend of design, performance, and innovation. And the best part? You can get your hands on this amazing device by simply clicking the link in the description below. So don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your smartphone experience with the Blackview Shark 8. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for watching.